Hello, welcome to Healthy Code. I'm creating this C# beginner course, and in this part 1 I will explain how to download Visual Studio, the latest version. Okay, click on this link and download a free community version. Okay, now we will select what we need to actually develop C# and .NET application, and pretty much everything we need for this beginner C# course. Then we would need this .NET desktop development, universal Windows platform development. For now we won't do any games, maybe in some later course. Also we need data storage and processing. And we can select Visual Studio extension development. As you can see, the total space required is around 20 gigabytes. So let's install. Okay, this is finished, and now you can check that everything works. If you want, you can sign in with Microsoft account, or in this case you can just skip for now. It will never ask you to log again. You can use it without any credentials. You choose what theme you want to have your Visual Studio. I want to be a dark theme. Okay, and this is what Visual Studio looks like when you finish with installation. In the next video, we will go to some basic application and explore some main topics that you need to know when you start with coding in C# and .NET. And we will explain what versions we're currently working in, what application type we're using. So a link for the next session will be in the description.